Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in WhatsApp without verification code. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So if you have been wondering whether you can log in on WhatsApp without verification code, unfortunately you cannot. You need to use WhatsApp with your own number. So when you use your number, it needs to be verified to actually know for the security purpose as well that it is you who is using, and then it can continue further for the use of the app itself. But if you do not want to use your number, or you do not have your number, then what you can do is you can also use a virtual number for your WhatsApp. So what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead and get yourself a virtual number from various platforms that offer virtual number nowadays. Get yourself a virtual number or a SIM card and you can use it. So how you can get it is simply you have to choose a provider. You can look for a reputable provider that offers virtual number, where you can receive the verification SMS, get a number and set up WhatsApp, and then when it comes to verify, add in your number, get the SMS in it, and then WhatsApp, simply verify and simply start using your WhatsApp app itself. So that is basically how you will be able to do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.